Hi friends, today I will introduce you a HOWO small refrigerated truck, which is mainly used for short distance transportation of fresh vegetable, frozen seafoods, meat, and other foods. A 116 horsepower engine, 6 forward gears, 1 reverse gear, a front axle capacity of 2.4 tons, a rear axle capacity of 4.2 tons, and 7.5 R16 steel wheel tires. The box installation is made of 8mm thick XPS insulation board with a fiberglass surface layer. The wooden frame provides a more rigid structure and excellent insulation. The cargo compartment is 5 meters long, 2.1 meters wide, and 2 meters high, capable of transporting 5 tons of frozen goods. With one side door. The interior of the cargo compartment is equipped with a plastic steel patterned floor, 2 drainage holes, and 15 cm high stainless steel guard plates on all sides to prevent the cargo from colliding and damaging the compartment. The unit is equipped with an American Thermo RV580 refrigeration unit, which can reach a minimum temperature of -18 degrees. It's also equipped with a ladder to facilitate daily maintenance and the repair of the refrigeration unit. It is also equipped with a toolbox to store the tools needed for maintenance. If you like this refrigerated truck, please contact me.